All right, I just wanted to quickly explain how to complete this Google side on rhyming. So there's 6 different pictures and words. And then over here, you're going to drag and drop the picture and the word. It'll move together. So you would see this picture and word, that's a wagon, and you're going to see which of these pictures and words that it rhymes with. Does wagon rhyme with bell? Does wagon rhyme with bear? Does wagon rhyme with key? Does wagon rhyme with dragon? Does wagon rhyme with call? Or does wagon rhyme with mail? Remember, when we're rhyming, the end of the word is the same, the way that it sounds at the end. So wagon, dragon. We can see that those sound the same at the end. So you just want to drag and drop it right beside it. You'll go through all the others. Then at the bottom, I want you to think of words that rhyme with each of the words below. So I'm going to make a Flipgrid response for this that you can you'll say what this is and say a word that rhymes. So dog, and you could say frog. Dog, frog, rhyme. And then you'll look at the next picture. So each of these pictures are dog, tent, sock, whale, vest, ring. So on the next attachment in Google Classroom is a Flipgrid, and I just want you to tell me a word that you can think of that rhymes with each of those. And then make sure that you turn this in when you are finished.